Hey everyone! Welcome to another vlog! Yes, tuloy-tuloy na talaga itong pagbablog na to. But anyway, today we have an agenda because I'm gonna get my haircut and actually a hair color today. Because my last haircut, I don't know when, but my last hair color is last year pa. Tingnan nyo naman guys, tingnan nyo naman yung tinubo na nung hair ko. So, I'm gonna get a haircut and a hair color today. Actually, nakaschedule na siya, matagal na. I'm gonna be with Kim today kasi magpapa-haircut din nata siya or hair color or hair spa. I don't know. Basta bahala na talaga. So, I'll bring you guys with me today and let's see the result. Kung maganda yung magiging haircut ko mamaya. So, can't wait. So, it's a girl day today. So, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys. So, eto na po. Wala po kaming napala dito sa Robinson. So, we're going somewhere far, far, far away. Huwag mo na pansinin kasi kahapon pinansin ko tapos nakano din siya. Kim,